greeting card.
Everyone, we will need a black marker, colored pencils or markers. We begin to draw a little from the head. Next, small eyebrows. We draw big eyes. There is a pupil inside the eye. And glare inside the pupil. Then we draw a small body and the shape of a triangle this dress. The first hands and the second hands. We draw legs and there will be boots on the feet. We have finished the esquisse of envy, now we will color it. We take the turquoise color, start drawing curly hair. We draw a hairpin on the head in purple. Now we paint over the head the tips of the arms, legs and hair. We circle the head in dark turquoise and add details to the hair. We paint the eyebrows, mouth and pupils of the eyes, half blue and black. We draw polka dots on the dress, and the dress itself is dark blue. That's it, guys. Our envy is ready. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.